Okay, this is like my Tundra, Toyota Tundra. I just opened the hood, start with it. This is a brand new truck, like this here truck. As you can see, this is a component like with an engine, brand new batteries, everything. So, I usually do my pre-trip because, I'm a truck driver. So, I get used to do that. Even though it's not part of it. As you can see, it's a brand new truck, 2017. Okay, let's go with the tire drop. Like you see, as you can see right here, is a brand new tire, on a truck. That's the body. That's the body of the truck. It's like 4 doors. Brand new tires. On the truck. You see right there. Let's go on the back of it. I have some fuel, little personal stuff. I fun to put just the back of it when you open it. Yeah. I got a little long cab because there's my triangles, a little few things, but I'm gonna remove those things. I got those blankets. And I have to go to Home Depot and grab a hand truck for it. So as you can see, that is it right there. And the back of it, I probably have a little bit of my personal stuff in the back. But like I said, this is the back seat, back windshield, everything. And this is the back seat right there. And we found a jump in the front seat. Like I said, right now I'm just doing the tour of the truck. Let me step back a little bit. You can see it. Here's the truck right there. Okay, everything is brand new. Like I said, it's a new truck. So what the heck can I say? Let me go inside of it and start it. Do like some few tests. I'm gonna have my son. And this is inside of the truck. Right there, right now. I'm in the truck. I'm gonna have my son do some other things for me. Yeah. Hold on, son. Let me go ahead and start it first. And rev the engine. Okay, right now I'm about to start it. Okay, as you can hear, the truck start right there. This is a passenger seat, right there. So I have this like little maintenance required because that part right there, which has got to go to actually to Toyota because it's still on the warranty. So there's 1, 2, 3 things. Just go there and then they're just gonna go ahead and get the service because the truck's still on the warranty. So all I have to do is go to Toyota and get it fixed right there. Let me go ahead and rev this. This is the brake for it. Okay, and I'm gonna rev the engine right there. As you can hear. Okay, AC work, everything work. There. So okay, let me go do my wiper. Let's try the wiper. You see, it's the wiper. Let's looking at the windshield. No crack on the windshield, no damage in the truck at all. I mean, no scratch, no damage, no dent. Like I said, yeah. This is when I first did my first service on the truck right there. So I'm about to take it to the dealer, AutoNation. So this is where I go to take my service to the dealer. So right now, let me go around the truck. And let you what I'm gonna do. You're gonna hold it. Come on, you're gonna hold it. I'm gonna do the signal, left signal and right signal. Stay in the front of it, okay? Right now I'm going to do the left signal. Let me know. Point it. Point the camera on the left signal.
This camera.
Come on. All right.
That's so weird.
All right.
You can edit.
No, it's okay. This the backlights. You know, everything work. Go ahead and press the emergency light for me one more time. Emergency light. You'll see the light. Let me show you. So what is it? This is my son right there. Okay.
No, that you gotta get that out.
No.
No,
Go ahead.
no.
Come on.
Unprofessional.
What did you do? All right. This is the emergency light. Both works. All right, son. Go ahead. Let me go ahead and go to the thing, make a stop. Turn around with it. Okay. All right, we're gonna make that quick.